Okay, first trick. Machio.
Machios? Alright, I like him. I like him. Hey, wait, Milkman's coming. Oh, okay. It's all you. Oh! Okay, I understand.
And I'm using these skates.
Okay. Oh, you just gonna sit down?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at you.
Tyler's up.
Man, you're going all over the place. Can you catch up? Steez! Dude, that's funny. You got some pretty bomb-ass footage here, though. What I got? What's it got? Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, you can do it! Okay, back here, you 3 out. Go. Take 1. No 3 out. Stand there for a second.
Ask me questions.
Oh, you're just gonna look random places?
That didn't go. Whoa.
That was, but hey, look at that kick.
Big one?
Look. Oh, not that one. Not that one. Oh, that's a hoodie. Or is that business suit?
That kid's coming.
It's a business
That kid's
suit.
coming.
It's the kid's coming.
He's coming on this way.
Fucking business suit.
Okay. This kid has the biggest headphones I've ever seen in my life.
So, as you can see, I'm filming this kid walking around and shit. And I'm whispering. I was trying to get this kid with the biggest headphones on his head. Why is there glass everywhere? You realize that? Look. You realize that? Dude, I had no idea what I said.
Looking back.
I know, I was like, I was mumbling stuff. I was like, well, she can see I was trying to get this kid. Oh, what? What the fuck is that joke? Dude, what?
Indiana Jones.
Just bring your helmet.
He's like, can't film documentaries on the space. It's classified.
So, Tasha's
I'm gonna have
passed.
to,
Maybe our heads look like helmets, but I know.
What's that look like we're doing, man?
We're just fucking. Oh shit.
Dude, film this.
Okay.
If he really comes over.
Oh, dude, he is turning. That's funny.
He just wants to go on film.
Yeah.
This video ain't going nowhere, man.
No.
He just wants to watch.
He's just watching.
Does it really? It looks like we're filming a music video.
I know. Just say it's for a project.
So
Right, here's he coming. Here's it coming.
Is he trying to talk me through the window?
I don't know, but he's coming.
We gotta just do this documentary for my class in the skate park, and
The cops are about to come. We might get kicked out.
it's like,
Okay, he knows. Okay, we're coming. He's smiling. Dude, what if...
I'm gonna have to take that.
Alright, here it comes.
Dude, you're like the Asian kid on Disturbia.
No, I'm not.
No, I mean,
No, because like, oh, okay, because I was like, he's like tall, he has bigger hair, and like a bunch of stuff. Good, how are you?
Huh?
Yeah.
Just filming random videos.
For a project.
Yeah. Huh?
We got helmets right there. We got them.
Just make sure y'all put it on.
Okay.
Alright. Alright.
Real safety.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool, dude. We understand.
Okay.
Alright.
I appreciate it.
He's cool. He wasn't a dick.
There's a horse.
There's a horse. Wait, did he say just grab it, but we don't have to wear it?
There's a horse.
What the fuck? Wait, can you zoom in?
Yeah.
Hold up.
Might not work on the fish eye. Make it blurry.
Wait, hold up. Yeah, it gets kind of blurry, but as you can see, wait, this looks like a fantasy movie.
Yeah,
It's
it's
on.
horses, dude. You can't understand these things.
Okay, anyways, we're about to grab our helmets.
Mine aren't. Hey. Just covering my hair.
Oh, not bad.
Keep your music, but it's like.
We haven't worn helmets in forever. Look at this. Wait, hold up. Check this out. This is what you look like, dude.
Oh man, that's not good. Oh, watch everybody's eating popcorn and shit.
Dude, just do tricks so we can leave.
Okay, I got shoot. No, alley oop. Something. Hey, I'm gonna both it too.
Oh!
It's not what I wanted.
Why?
What's that? So Eric says he's gonna be large. He's gonna look larger than usual on camera. He's larger right now. Okay. Yeah, dude, I can see from here. Okay. So we got helmets on. Cause that cop, well, he left, but now he just left our helmets on. So, alright, let's call it. Now you let's go. Let's go. Oh, you're looking nice though. Sometimes you just gotta trust me. Man, I have filters for that kind of thing. But last time I put them on, I couldn't get it off without a damn screwdriver. I mean, oh, he's just gonna sit down?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
We have to get hyphy though.
Okay, you got sunshine by you.
Alright, music.
Wait, what? You missed the ledge.
Alright, let's go!
Wait.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, lock you at one-on-one with Mira. Okay, this is how you do it. Okay, first of all, guys, this is...
Hey, just do it. Just do it. You explain it later. Explain later.
I'm ready when you are. Go, do it! Damn, stomping on me and shit. Okay, that was a weird angle. What? That was a waste!
with your old pal, Krusty.
And this day's not going very well. There's lots of school buses though. I mean, that's cool. That's always fun.
I was getting cocky there. I thought I could switch it up. But nope.
Man, that's not good. Whoa! It's not good.